You're live.
Hey, Mar, are we on?
We are.
Well, is it Wednesday?
Yeah, Wednesday.
Happy Wednesday, everybody.
Rugby day.
Yay, it's rugby day today. I'll be there later.
Welcome to the workshop.
So, now we've got this new product. It's
so much fun and so
about letting it go.
Let it go.
Let it go. Let it go. Those things that have been niggling you, that have been weighing you down, holding you back.
That's right.
You don't need them no more.
No, there's people, the things you're addicted to, sugar, cigarettes,
Get it gone. Get it gone.
People who have hurt you, things that have hurt you.
Get it gone and move on. That's what we're saying.
Except for the couple of pounds I've got from cake.
Cake's always good. We're not putting cake in the fire.
No.
No.
So what do you got?
So, Lorraine, hello Lorraine, she said, I've not had a video for a while, so Lorraine in the boat, hello. Thanks for watching.
Dinner there last night, delicious.
Yeah, very nice steak, yum yum. So there's a base of the pit here, where you can make your fire, okay, and then the really cool thing is that this bit here,
Hi Gemma.
It's a bit heavy. We get this bit here.
Right.
And we put that on the top, line him up. There he goes. Alright, on there like that.
And what is that design on there?
Oh, isn't it lovely? It's all it's like round here really, isn't it? It's
like
Chatsworth House. You got your deer and your trees. It's beautiful. So when you have your fire in there at night.
Not in the house.
No, don't do it inside. No,
put it outside.
Outside.
In the garden, in the backyard.
And it has actually got, on the bottom here, there are some holes.
Mm-hmm.
So you could mount it onto something if you wanted to. Chuck it in the side.
Let it go.
And we're doing these in different thicknesses, so you can have a
slow burn, fast spark,
or a low roast, right?
Yeah,
or a fast spark.
What else you got there?
I've got that one's, I can't really say that out, but if you can see it.
Yep, but it says transformation tokens, and you're letting it go.
Letting it go.
That one. Yep.
There we go.
Goodbye, idiot.
Yeah. Hey, Trump.
Here's my vote. Letting it go. That one's for our lovely friends
across the
in Albany.
Yeah, across the pond there. So this is all about a new you.
It is.
New release.
Absolutely.
New Year's coming into it, and everyone feels like there's things that hold them back. I know I felt it, and this is just a great way to.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a celebration
yes.
of release and letting go, and we're gonna do this behind the boat